The reality of today's economy is hitting home with employers. Employee turnover is now running at over 100% and costing over $2,000 to hire, train, and replace workers, let alone sky-high signing bonuses. But even within this new workplace dynamic, one of the core underlying realities that many American workers have is financial insecurity. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. 65% of employees feel that personal financial worries impact their health. 44% have less than $400 saved for unexpected expenses. What if one product could help solve both the immediate labor and hiring issues and also address some of those longer-term worker insecurities and realities without adding $1 to your bottom line? Introducing the Rellevate digital account. With no monthly account fees, no credit checks, no minimum balances, and no overdraft fees. The account comes with a Visa debit card, global ATM network, bill pay, send money, and features Pay Any Day. Pay Any Day, a proven way to reduce employee turnover by as much as 40%. With Pay Any Day, employees can access up to 50% of their pay before payday. Pay Any Day is not a loan, it is an advance. And with Rellevate's digital account, your employees can get their money when they need it. Your employees' satisfaction, financial wellness is critical to reducing turnover. Make their life easier, and they will stay longer. Contact us for more information.